guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Bebs Jen channel. Today po is magluluto ako ng macaronia. Ayan, macaronia, it means macaroni. Ayan, at saka yan ang mga sahog niya, mga ingredients yan. Yan po. Ayan, ayan yung green is parsley, pagdunas in Arabic. Ayan, yun mga sauce, vegetable, ayan po. So, ayan guys, yung vegetable natin, kinat ko na yan ng ganyan, pahaba lang po. Dapat is pahaba yan. I cut it into long, okay? And this is parsley, okay? And I cut it into small also, okay? So, ayan guys, nagpakulo na ako ng macaroni. Ayan. So, ayan guys, first po is fry natin yung carrots natin. Fry natin yan hanggat lumambot. Follow din natin yung natira nating gulay, bell pepper, onions, and tomato. Lutuin natin yan hanggat lumambot. Fry gusal until it brown. Okay. Fry onions until it brown. Then follow tomato. Cook tomato until it's soft. So ayan guys, yung vegetable natin is already cooked na yan. Malaki. Put it 2 spoons, only 2 spoons. Then mix it. Mix it well. Then lagyan ng salt. 1 spoon. Oregano, okay? Oregano. Yan lang guys, oregano natin. Oregano dry yan. And cook it or parsley. Pagdunas. So ayan guys yung sauce natin. Ayan. So, ayan na guys. Almost done na yung pasta natin. Pasta with vegetable. Ayan. At nilagay ko na sa small fire para hindi naman masunog yung baba niya. Yan po guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Bibs Yen Vlog, Bibs Yen channel, okay? Thank you so much and God bless.